Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm getting right into this very long overdue New Year's set. So I'm starting off with a black from Venalisa, very cheap from Amazon, and I'm putting that on the tip instead of black acrylic because with black acrylic I always have an issue with blending it. So I'm wiping off the tacky layer and then I'm going in with Nude. This one is by Not Polished and it is called Nude Panther. So I probably should have encapsulated the black in a thin layer of acrylic because the nude was just overpowering. It went all the way down and I had to do some fixing off the camera, but you know, do as I say, not as I do. You would get a better result if you don't do what I just did. Yeah, you see that line? Now I'm using the same nude acrylic from Not Polished to make a French smile line. I'm using Young Nails Be Clear to make a thin overlay over this pinky nail so I can apply this gold holographic glitter from Angelic and Hood. By the way, the owner of Angelic and Hood is so amazing. She is super nice and her products are amazing. I'll make sure to link all of her information in the description. I'll also be applying that same holographic glitter to the lipstick nail on the thumb. And here's an overview of what we have so far. I'm using a file to make the edges of the smile line crisper before I add the glitter French. Next, I'm encapsulating all of the nails in Speed Clear from Young Nails. Here's what everything's looking like after encapsulating. Next, after I filed and shaped the nails, I'm going in with a matte top gel. This one's from Model 1s, and I'm just applying that to the black ombre nails. I'm applying a top gel, that way we can do our designs a little later. Next, I'm using the Skull Paint Gel from Savvyland, and I'm not really sure if I liked it too much, but it got the job done. I used it to make my design and I left it uncured so I can sprinkle my fine glitter into it to complete the design. The glitter of choice for this design was Hollow at Me from Twinkle Tea. I'll also link them in the description so y'all can go check them out. And as you can see, I'm using a cuticle pusher. That way I can just sprinkle that fine glitter all over those black ombre nails. Next, I'm using Rhinestone glue by Makartt to apply my crystals and caviar beads to the glitter French nails. Next, I'm using Top Coat from Makartt and I'm top coating the entire glitter French nail. That way it seals around the crystals, and also once we put it in the lamp, the nail will be complete. crystals that I'm using are like Colorado Serenities from Bluestreak Crystals. And after I was finished applying those few caviar beads, the set was complete. This was a very long-awaited New Year's set, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching the process of it. And I just absolutely love the French glitter nail with the bling. Y'all know how much I love my bling, but this set as a whole was just beautiful to me. I never did lipstick shaped nails, but I'm so happy that I gave it a shot. My client loved it, she suggested it, so here they are. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to follow me on all of my socials, and I hope you guys have a great day. Be blessed.